There's a brand new Webb community coming to Parrish, Florida, and it's something we've never actually seen here before. It does have resort style amenities that, of course, I'm going to tell you all about. But the biggest surprise is that it's not a 55 plus community. I know, because Webb is typically 55 plus. So today, I'm walking you through everything buyers need to know about the new Webb Explore coming in at North River Ranch, including what makes it different, who it's really for, and what buyers don't realize yet. So most people hear the name Webb, and of course, immediately we think 55 plus retirement community. But Webb Explore is a completely new product line for the Webb brand, and this location in Parrish, Florida is actually the first one in all of Florida. All of Florida. We get the first one right here. So there's a Webb Explore in the Palm Springs, California area. There's one in Columbus, Ohio, and now right here in little old Parrish, Florida, located again in the growing master plan community of North River Ranch. So instead of being age restricted, Explore communities are really designed for any age active adults, working professionals, multi-generational housing, which we're going to talk about in a little bit, and really just any kind of family that wants that 55 plus kind of community. So I want you to think Webb lifestyle without the age restriction.
I'm listening.
And of course, this is a major shift in how resort style communities are being built. So first, let's talk about the location. So as I've already said, Webb Explore is located inside of North River Ranch, which all of you know if you've seen the videos out there. It is one of the fastest growing master plan communities in Manatee County. Now that matters because buyers are going to get in this Webb Explore walking trails. They're going to get multiple village centers planned, which is future upscale retail, small businesses, boutique shops, mom and pop eateries. They're going to have a green grocer like a Whole Foods or a Trader Joe's, we hope. We really hope that that happens. And these neighborhoods plan community events all year round for every age group and with various interests. They're going to have parks and fitness areas and, of course, dog parks for all of your little fur babies. So North River Ranch homes overall range roughly from about the low 300s to the high 800s. And again, depending on the builder, the product type. And of course, that's going to position Webb Explore squarely in a lifestyle-focused price segment. So what's the translation of that? Well, this isn't just a neighborhood. Webb Explore is part of a long-term growth corridor. As you know what's going on Moccasin Wallow right now. Well, this is going to be right in the hub of that. So let's talk about the community size and the scale of Webb Explore. Now, the community is being built across, I'd say roughly, I think they're telling right now about 410 acres with about 900 single family homes planned. And that makes it one of the larger lifestyle communities coming to Parrish right now. And scale does matter because larger Webb style communities usually mean more amenities, more social clubs, better resale, and that appeal is going to be great as you try to sell your home if you live in one of these Webb communities later on. So of course you want to know about the home sizes and the floor plans. So homes are expected to range roughly from about a 1,400 square foot for a paired villa maybe, and up to nearly 4,000 square feet in single family homes with 3 separate collection of homes: the scenic, the distinctive, and the echelon, which combined is 16 floor plans. So you have a lot to choose from. You're going to have options like 2 bedrooms up to 5 bedrooms, even multi-generational layouts, which is becoming very popular now for families Maybe you live with your older parents. Maybe your parents are coming to live with you, or maybe you still have older young adults at home. They're going to have open concept living, covered lanais, of course, smart home technology, energy efficient construction, built for hurricanes, which is important. And because this is a Del Webb product line, you can expect tile roofs, paver driveways, strong indoor-outdoor living integration, which these are all features buyers specifically look for when they're coming to Florida to buy something and for resale value later. So how is Del Webb Explore different from Del Webb Bayview or Del Webb Sunchase, which are true 55 plus communities? Well, here's the biggest difference. We've already said it a billion times. Those two are 55 plus. Explore is all ages, but lifestyle-wise, they are very similar. So all of these communities are going to emphasize social connection, fitness, resort amenities, clubs and events, outdoor living, and of course, they're all gated communities. So Explore Del Webb is basically designed for buyers who want the Del Webb experience, but you want it earlier in life, you don't want to wait till you're 55. So let's talk about for whom this community is perfect. So based on what we're already seeing in Parrish relocation patterns, this community is likely going to attract remote workers, people that aren't quite retired but are still working from home. Maybe they're relocating to Florida because they still can work from anywhere in the country, and why not love where you live and work, right? It's going to attract people in their 40s to 60s. It's going to attract multi-generational households who have active families, but they want the built-in amenities. But I think the biggest draw of buyers are going to be those buyers that are priced out of the Lakewood Ranch lifestyle communities, especially buyers who say, I want amenities without a country club membership. So I think we're going to see a lot of the buyers that would typically want to be in Lakewood Ranch and that kind of lifestyle community say, that's so expensive, we're going to head on over to Parrish. So here are the things that smart buyers are asking early. So remember, smart buyers, pay attention that this is gated, right? This is going to add long-term value stability for your home. It is part of a master plan corridor that is still growing, that Moccasin Wallow area where we're getting future retail. And of course, that really matters because it's more important of what's coming in the future than the current retail that's already there, because North River Ranch is meant to be, and it is designed to be, Parrish's only true walkable community. And remember, early buyers always get the best lots to choose from, especially if you want a preserve lot or a water lot, or maybe you want a corner lot. And of course, the amenity center construction timing matters because resort style communities typically build things in phases, meaning if you buy early, you're getting the best pricing. But if you buy later, then the amenities are all finished out and you're paying for that finished out amenity community. So that's true of any community here in Parrish, well, any community anywhere. If you're able to buy early on in a brand new community and you get to pick some of the better lots, hopefully, you're paying the entry level prices. And builders typically want to kind of gauge where buyers are when they open. And they're going to let you know these are introductory prices. So they want to see what are buyers responding to. So I think if you are in the market in the next few months, well, I'd say for the next few months towards the end of the year as well, that you really might want to check out Del Webb Explore. Get in there early so that your home is building appreciation and value before the community is totally finished out in the next 3 to 4 years. So since we're on the subject, let's talk about the grand opening timeline. So the model homes began construction recently And right now they're saying on their website and through the reps that I know that the formal grand opening is expected somewhere in May. We'll see. It's still early to know that, but it's a great time to be thinking about accessing better prices early on, which is exactly when buyers are going to get the most incentives. So here's my take. I say Webb Explore is one of the most interesting new communities launching in Parrish, Florida right now because it really does fill, I'd say, a gap between what we currently have and what we haven't had. Here, of course, you're going to get the resort lifestyle, a restaurant, miles of walking and biking trails. It's gated. There's tile roofs. There's upscale standard features with the Webb brand that the other Pulte communities do not have. And again, it's smack dab right in the middle of North River Ranch, where the future Parrish Village Center is going to be. And of course, there's that new HCA emergency room that's open already. And they're going to build that HCA hospital around that with a lot of other medical buildings. That's coming soon. So it's going to help those of you that say, we want to be in an area where we have quick access to medical offices. So I want you to think Lakewood Ranch Main Street is going to be just like that same developer. And of course, you won't have to drive all the way to Sarasota or Bradenton or even Lakewood Ranch for medical services in the next few years. We're going to have all of that right here on that Moccasin Wallow North River Ranch corridor. And of course, the area schools are all new or newer. So that's a huge plus for parents. There's also the State College of Florida campus that's being built near the high school. And of course, that awesome Parrish Community Park is now open. And I tell you, I love that place. It's a great place. There's a splash park. Our grandgirls love that. Take your kids there, play places, splash park. And of course, there's live music in that amphitheater. And Webb Explore is going to be about 7-minute drive to I-75, about 8 minutes to 275 if you want to get over into St. Pete. You're 2 minutes from Highway 301. And you're about 45 to 50 minutes to all of our awesome area beaches. And again, there's no 55 plus restrictions. So it is all that and a bag of chips. And it's really going to attract a lot of relocation buyers. And I would say they're specifically going to come from New Jersey and New York and Illinois and Colorado, Ohio, Pennsylvania, a lot of the southern states, the Midwest and California, well, just everywhere, all across the country, because these are people who want amenities immediately when they move in so they can start living the Florida lifestyle dream. So if Webb Explore maybe hit a nerve with you and you're thinking, we've always liked Webb, but we're not sure about the 55 plus thing. Well, I want you to reach out because I'd love to be able to share this community with you as it develops, as it's coming along. And of course, I can help you maybe stack it up against the true 55 plus communities like Coulter, Woodland Preserve, the other Webb, Prosperity Lakes Medley. So maybe it's something that you're thinking about and maybe you're not quite 55. You suck. No, good for you. I miss being under 55. But anywho, maybe that's you and you're like, we really love that lifestyle. We like the Webb concept, but of course we're not old enough to be in a Webb 55 proper. So I think this really is going to hit for all kinds of singles and active adults and multi-generational families, like we said. So if that's you, I'd really love the opportunity to share more about this community. Give me a call. We can set up a time to do a Zoom call or a FaceTime or whatever works for you. I'd love to share it with you. And if you're going to be in town and you want to take a whirl around and see what it's going to look like, you know where to find me. I'm Kathryn Newman. Thanks so much for subscribing to this channel so you can stay updated on all the goings on around here, real estate related, and of course, just things dealing with, what's like to live here, things you can do for your family, where are the best places to go eat, and all the great things we have around in the lifestyle of Manatee and Sarasota County. I'm Kathryn Newman. Thanks for joining, and I'll see you next time.